Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
We are requesting SAP to do the refresh. So when SAP want to do the event, we are requesting SAP to do the refresh. Then, in that case, what will happen? We are using two methods. One is a manual. One is automated. Manual is a form which we need to fill up the form, and with this user you will be going into the Launchpad and raising SAP ticket and adding that particular form. That is a manual process. Second method is the automated, where you are sending a request. So second method is used from the IRT. IRT means this is the tool, Instant Synchronization Tool. Okay. So in the Instant Synchronization Tool we are using this tool for the automated process where first of all we will be going into the production system, and in the production system we will be doing the pairing of the system. So, as we know that we have a two system, that is, source and the target, okay. So the source will be the production system and the target is the system where you want to copy the production configuration and the data from production to the another system. It can be a development. It can be a preview. That is something which we will be doing from the production to the preview. Okay. So there is a source and there is a target. So this process which we are doing, that is from the IRT. Instant Refresh Tool. Or we call as an Instant Synchronization Tool. Okay. Which we are doing for the refresh. Okay. And yearly once we have to do this process, and who will be initiating we? As a consultant, we will be initiating this process on behalf of the customer. Okay. And we will be doing it. Okay. So, once the purpose of refresh is to copy the production configuration and the data to the test instant, to the preview or to the development, so that both the system should be identical. The purpose is that whenever some issues or concerns are coming in the production, if we want to replicate that issue, if you want to check that issue in the test system, that is, we want to test that issue. We can go into the preview or into the development, where the same test user will be there. Okay. And with the help of the same test user, we can able to do the testing, but we cannot do the testing directly in the production system. Right. So that is not possible. So to avoid that, we can do the testing in the test system, but the data should be real. That is the reason we are going and doing the copy of the production to the preview with the help of an instance refresh, with the help of this tool called Instant Synchronization Tool. Okay. So two ways are there for moving one configuration to another, from one moment to another moment. Second method is that for doing for the refresh point. Okay. So these are the two you use, the users of going with this particular tool. Any questions here? No. Okay. This is purely a real-time work. This is nothing which is related to the employee central or something. This is the work which a consultant has to take care. And in any interview it will. They will ask you, do you know the process? how the refresh is taken, care for your customers. So you have to elaborate this process. Okay. So here we comes to an end for the introduction to mastery, where we have gone with the remaining topics. Agile methodology, deployment model badges, and now the instant synchronization.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.